Hello guys, welcome to my channel Kinji Marketer here. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can make over $16,000 with YouTube and Bitcoin in 2021 without any investment. So if you are searching for a new way to make money online, then make sure to watch this video till end. And also guys, if you are new to my channel how to make money online, then make sure to press that subscribe button and also press the bell icon for I get more new videos. So let's start this video guys. So guys, if you have not heard already, Bitcoin is very huge thing on YouTube or any other social media. Even if you go on Google, you are going to find many posts talking about Bitcoin and investing. So right now, for example, if you go and search for Bitcoin on YouTube, you are going to see many posts, many videos with crazy amounts of views, and I want to show you guys how you can take advantage of these videos that is created by cryptocurrency and how you can make money with YouTube and Bitcoin without any investment. So if you go for example YouTube and search how to buy Bitcoin, you are going to see many of these videos that are explaining how you can go and actually buy Bitcoin. But how are they making money from these videos? You are not going to believe how much money. For example, in this video made with over 8 lakh views. So if you go for example and play this video, and if we talk how much money he made.
Hi, my name is Andre Jack. Welcome back.
How much money he made from AdSense shown on his video. He probably made around from $5,000 to $7,000 because in this niche AdSense is paying much more. For example, some vlog video, because this is niche and people are making a lot of money not from ads but from affiliate marketing. You can see right here in this description where I buy Bitcoin. Here is a link. This is a affiliate link. So if you are not my subscriber, if you don't know what affiliate link is, that is basically when someone click on this affiliate link, it is going to send them to the page where they can buy Bitcoin, and whenever someone buys Bitcoin, he is going to make commission. So it really depends on which affiliate program you join to get this commission. So the best 9. So what I did a research which are 9 best cryptocurrency affiliate program of 2021. So our best affiliate program, you can see this guy has made over $12,000 in 1 month with affiliate marketing with this particular product. So you can see first Coinbase affiliate program. So I could not join the affiliate program because they are paying 50% commission only for 3 months. So I couldn't join it because there are many others that are paying lifetime commission. So that you can do is you can ignore Coinbase, but you can see this one right here, CoinMama. They are paying 15% lifetime commission. So what personally, if you are a beginner, what would I recommend you guys to join to see this third one called eToro affiliate program. They are paying CPA, not paying you percentages, because when someone sign up for eToro and they pay money, you are going to earn from $200 to $600. So that means only when they buy something on their account, you are going to earn this amount of money. But for example, if they buy for $100,000 worth of Bitcoin and affiliate fees are, for example, $2,000, and that is just an example, you wouldn't get percentage of the scale. You would only get 200 to 600 CPA. But that is best, because most amount of people are not going to invest huge amount of money. So I would recommend you guys to sign up for eToro. So if you go on eToro of a paid partnership program, you are going to see how much money. When they click this button, open this window. We're going to see how much money they are paying right now. They are paying for Taiwan countries $250 for each sign up. They are paying for entire 2 countries $200, and they are paying tier 3 countries for $100. So what you can do is you can sign up for eToro and start promoting it. So how you can go and make money on YouTube with this way? So you can go and talk about how they sign up for eToro and how they can go and buy Bitcoin. So this is only video that you need to make on YouTube. So if you don't know how to sign up for eToro, if you have a problem with that, usually people are not going to have problem with that. But if you have a problem, you can just go on YouTube and search how to Bitcoin, how to buy Bitcoin with so that is it. So you are going to see, for example, this video that he has above 9,000 views. They are talking how you can go and buy Bitcoin, and that is what exactly want to do. You want to make some similar to this video, and then you want to promote that video. So once you go and sign up for eToro affiliate program, once you get affiliate link, you want to put it just like
in this video,
just like this. This is the affiliate link. When someone clicks on affiliate link, they sign up for eToro, they buy cryptocurrency. You are going to earn from $100 to $250 depending on which country they buy. And sign up for, so that is how you can go and make money online with affiliate marketing using Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So how you can go promote this video, because people are not going to naturally find your video on how to make your own, how to Bitcoin, how to buy Bitcoin. So what you want to do again is you want to go on all social media accounts. So first one I have found Quora, and what you want to go on Quora, this is actually some kind of forum. So people are asking many different questions on Quora. So what you want to do is you want to go and search, for example, how to buy coin, and you want to try different variation and you want to click on search, or you are going to find many people that are asking the same questions. So for example, how do I buy Bitcoin? You want to click that and you are going to see that many people are searching for this question and they are looking for an answer. So you can go in right here, post if you are interested in how you can buy Bitcoin with eToro. You can go and watch this video. So I want to see how, if you are looking, so I have rated, if you are looking for a new way to buy Bitcoin using eToro, you can sign up here or you watch this tutorial and something like that. And what you want to do is that is and what you want to do is you want to take your YouTube video. You want, for example, this is your video link. For example, this is just example. So copy, you want to click to add some comment, that is we have promoted our video. This is actually, as I said, not our video, but this is just an example. This is just an example. So I'm going to delete this. So what are we going to do is we are going to do it over and over again. We are going to search for different people asking how to buy Bitcoin, and what are you doing is you are helping people to buy Bitcoin and you are going to get rewarded for that. So you are helping them to do it and you are making money from helping them. So another way where you can promote your YouTube video is Reddit. So if you are going to again search how to buy Bitcoin, so you are going to see again we are going to see again many questions. You can see 7 days ago, 14 days ago, 3 days ago, 7 hours ago, how to buy Bitcoin. So you can go and paste them video. You can see this one has asked how to buy Bitcoin and other coins in Germany. So you can go and apply a reply to this post. You can see it was posted 3 days ago. So you can go and reply many different posts talking about how to go and Bitcoin. If you have having questions, you can help them and go and show them how to do it in your YouTube video, and you want to tell them to click on your affiliate link, just like that. When they sign up, you make money. That is basically how this works. You don't need YouTube ads, you don't need anything. So what are you going to do now is you can go also on Google and search by coin forum. see many different questions. You can see this is one many different question how to buy it, and you want to answer them, you want to make them watch your video. When they sign up for your eToro affiliate link, you make money. So what you will want to talk about now is how you can make thumbnail for your video, because that can be problem for some people. So you can see when you search for a Bitcoin, they are creating these eye-catching thumbnail, and what you want to do is you want to do something similar to that. So I want to recommend you guys that software. I'm using it and it is 100% free. There are some paid option, but you don't want to pay for them. You can use it for 100% free. So if you go on canva.com, you are going to find and you sign up. Of course, you are going to find a page like this. And what you can research, for example, YouTube thumbnail. So you want to search for YouTube thumbnail. Waiting for open this page. Open this page. You want to click on that. They are going to give you guys different variation in different templates. There are many templates, and you want to go and click a create blank YouTube thumbnail. So what you want to do next is you want to go and right click here on templates, and I have done search. You can search for example invest a Bitcoin. So if you don't have any post, but if you go and search for invest and investing on something like that, for example, it is a free template. When I select for you, waiting some time. This is a net problem, internet problem. For example, this is one, and it is free one for you. So you want to click on that and right here you can see we have perfect thumbnail for our video. We can go and change everything: text, description, logo, images. You can add images or remove if you want. You want to change text, you want to change some font, you want to change, for example, you want to delete this logo because we don't need it, and you want to change this type. like that. And if you have done, then click the download button. Click on download. So we have downloaded our free thumbnail that we can use. And now what you want to do again, promote like crazy YouTube video that you have posted. And best thing about this method is you don't need a lot of views to make a lot of money. You need only people that searching up buy Bitcoin, and then you help them to make depending on which country you send them from. For example, Taiwan countries, you are going to make $250 for each sale. So that is how you can make money on YouTube without actually recording your video with professional camera or something like that. And if you are looking for a way to make money on YouTube, if you are looking to create YouTube brand, then make sure to check out my YouTube course. And you see if you want, then you must enroll now. Click here to enroll now. This is very excellent course, very excellent. So you're interested in, make sure to check out. If you are interested in this course, to make sure to check out. And also if you want to see more videos on how to make online, make sure to press that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. See you again. Bye bye.